Well, hello there, Facebook friends. Tuesday night for the Blue Parrot. Yep, that's right, my night off. I didn't get a chance to put a video up last night, but got a little quick one for you now because I know you're all waiting for the joke of the day. Usual going on Wednesday, Thursday. We do the beer bucket specials. Four beers, 4 shots, $20. Thursday night karaoke. Friday, right now, we don't have a band scheduled. It's still open. We're waiting to hear from a couple of bands. Saturday night, we got, what's the band we got? Oh, Northport Breeze. They've been here before. Good classic rock. They're a good band, too. Usually brings a good crowd. So we'll have some fun. And then, Sunday, NFL football. Starting at 1 o'clock. The game start at 1. We do the NFL special. Beer and a shot, $5. All right? That's it. It's just a quickie. I'll give you my joke. The guy walks into a drugstore and buys a box of condoms. The cashier says, "Do you want a bag?" He says, "No, she's not that ugly." All right, guys. Come on down. Check us out tomorrow night for some beer buckets. Thursday night, beer buckets. Friday, it's tentative for if you have a band or not, but we definitely got a band Saturday. Northport Breeze. See you soon. Rock on.